Conflict is an inevitable part of human interaction. However, the way we handle these conflicts can significantly impact the quality of our relationships. Psychologist John Gottman identified 4 destructive communication behaviors he termed the Four Horsemen of the Apocalypse. These behaviors can escalate conflict and lead to relationship breakdown. Let's explore these behaviors and discuss strategies to avoid them. Criticism. What it is. Attacking a person's character or personality rather than addressing a specific behavior or issue. Why it's harmful. Criticism can make the other person feel defensive and resentful, hindering productive communication. How to avoid it. Focus on specific behaviors or actions and use I statements to express your feelings. For example, instead of saying, "You're always so lazy," say, "I feel frustrated when the dishes aren't done by the time I get home." Contempt, what it is. Expressing disdain or superiority toward the other person through insults, sarcasm, or mockery. Why it's harmful. Contempt can erode trust and create a hostile environment. How to avoid it? Treat your partner with respect, even when you're upset. Remember that everyone makes mistakes. Defensiveness, what it is. Blaming the other person for your own problems, or avoiding taking responsibility for your actions. Why it's harmful. Defensiveness can prevent you from listening to your partner's concerns and resolving the issue. How to avoid it? Take responsibility for your actions and listen actively to your partner's perspective. Stonewalling, what it is. Shutting down communication by withdrawing, avoiding, or refusing to engage in conversation. Why it's harmful. Stonewalling can create a sense of distance and isolation in a relationship. How to avoid it. Take a break if you feel overwhelmed, but return to the conversation when you're calmer. By recognizing and avoiding these destructive behaviors, you can foster healthier and more fulfilling relationships. Remember, effective communication is key to conflict resolution. Practice empathy, active listening, and respectful dialogue to create a positive and supportive environment for your relationships.